My name is Lily and I'm from FTC T17075 here in Georgia. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through the basic setup for the FTC robot controller for Mac users so that you can go ahead and get started with programming your robot. This tutorial is for the latest FTC season, which at the time of recording is Freight Frenzy. There are timestamps throughout the video so that you can skip through and find a specific part of the tutorial that you need, and all links mentioned throughout the video will be put in the description down below. To get started, we are first going to need to download Android Studios, the software used for FTC programming. First, you're going to want to go to this link right here in the FTC Android Studios guide on page 93. The link for this manual is in the description down below. This will then take you to the Android Studios download page. You then want to click on this green button, which should download the latest version of the software. If for some reason you know that you're going to need a different version of Android Studios, you can click this button here and access all other download options. You'll then click that you have agreed. And I know that I have a Mac with an Intel chip, so I'm going to click this right here. If you have a Mac with an Apple chip, you'll click this button here. Once the Android Studios installer has finished downloading, you're going to click on the download and go through the installation steps. I already have Android Studios downloaded, so I won't be going through those. Once Android Studios is set up, you're going to head to the FTC GitHub page. You can search up FTC GitHub in your search engine, or you can go to the link in the description. Once you're on the main page, you want to click on FTC Robot Controller, which should take you to the latest version of the code that you need. Once you're on this page, you want to click on this green button that says Code. Here, you have two options. The simpler option, in my opinion, is to download a zip folder of the code. This will appear in your downloads folder and it should open in Android Studios with no problem. The other option is to clone the repository. This would mean using GitHub commands to replicate the code into your desired folder. I would only recommend cloning the file if you already have GitHub and are comfortable using it. For simplicity's sake, we're going to download the zip file. After it's downloaded, I'm going to double click on it so that way it opens as a folder. And I'm probably going to drag it into my desktop. This makes it easier for me to find later on. Now that you have the file, you're going to want to open up Android Studios. Once you're in this welcome page, you're going to want to click on these three dots right here, and this will open the drop-down menu. Then you're going to want to click on Import Project. This will then open up your files, and here you just want to go to the FTC Robot Controller file that you just downloaded. You're going to click Open. Click OK to the project warning. And Android Studios will begin to open the file. Now, depending on your computer, the sync will either finish and you'll be all set up. Head to this timestamp to see what that looks like. However, if your computer has a particular issue, such as mine, you get this error message, and it'll say that the Gradle sync project has failed. You can try to hit try again and see if that works for you, and if it does, great, then go to that timestamp again. However, most likely it'll just fail again. Luckily, there is a really easy fix to this error that always works for me. All you need to do is change the Gradle version to the one needed to run the FTC project. To do this, you're going to head up and click File, and then you're going to want to click on Project Structure. This will open up settings that will allow you to change the Gradle version. The version that we want for this project to work is 6.3. So hit the down arrow and scroll until you see it. Then click Apply and OK, and this will start the Gradle sync automatically. It may take a second for this sync to actually finish. Once the sync is finished, it'll say build successful in the build terminal right here. And that's it. Now your FTC robot controller is all set up and you are ready to start coding. In the next video, I will show you how to use the robot controller as well as how to set up a really simple drivetrain. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!